A pro-life mother of 4 from Northern Ireland has been granted permission to apply for the recusal of the judge overseeing her appeal on grounds of impartiality. Claire Brennan, a Roman Catholic, was convicted in December 2024 for praying outside Causeway Hospital in Coleraine on 3 October 2023, the first case of its kind under the Safe Access Zones laws. The charges against her included conducting an anti-abortion protest with intention or recklessness. At the protest, she recited the Lord's Prayer and held a sign reading, "Pray to End Abortion." After her conviction and a £750 fine, she filed an appeal at Ballymena Court. When informed that the appeal would be heard by Judge Ciaran Moynagh, Brennan raised concerns because in his past career as a solicitor, he had publicly described himself as an abortion activist for human rights, had represented abortion rights or reform cases, and had been critical of laws criminalizing abortion pills. On 15 September 2025, she lodged a formal complaint to the Lady Chief Justice's office demanding Moynagh's recusal. The next day, during proceedings at Ballymena Court, she directly asked Judge Moynagh if he could judge her fairly. She stated, quote, "If you can't, I want another judge, a new and fresh trial with a new judge," end quote. Judge Moynagh responded that he would hear arguments from both sides on whether to recuse. He then allowed Ms. Brennan 2 weeks to submit a skeleton argument and gave the prosecution a week to respond. Speaking afterward, Ms. Brennan said, quote, "I do not believe a judge with such a public record of advocacy on one side of this debate can be seen as impartial. I'm simply asking for a fair hearing before a judge who hasn't already taken a public stance on the very issues at the heart of my case," end quote. Many legal commentators regard this as an unusual move in Northern Ireland jurisprudence because recusal of judges on account of prior public statements or activism is relatively rare.